So in computer UT, you have to create this type of timetable, and let us understand how can you create this type of timetable now. So you don't have to create the same timetable. You have to create the timetable for your classes. Let's say आपके अभी 8 periods होते हैं, so you will create. First of all, you have to merge 8 row columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Merge and center. Now here what we have to write? We have to write timetable and class. Timetable and class 6A or B or whatever your section is. Okay. Now here you have to write Monday. No, because here we will be writing the timings first. So let's say I'm just writing the random timings 9 to 10, then 10 to 11. आपको प्रॉपर टाइमिंग्स लिखने हैं, तो मैं ऐसे ही लिख रही हूँ अभी 9, 10, then 11, then 12, then 13, then 14, 15. I'm just writing simple numbers, but you can write exactly the timings of your classes. ठीक है? And fourth period के बाद, let's say third period के बाद, we have a recess also. So we will insert a new row here, sorry, new column here, reduce the size, and now write Monday, Tuesday, Monday, and then drag it till Saturday. Okay. Now here you can write your subject, and all these cells we have to merge first. So select all the cells, click on merge in center, and here you have to write break. Now I have to change the orientation of this break. Orientation means how it will come. I wanted to display it vertically. So click on this cell, go to the orientation option. You can go to this AB, which जिसके ऊपर ऐसे एक arrow बना हुआ है, or otherwise if you are not able to find this button, then you can right click, go to format cells, and from the orientation you can change the orientation, and from here you can decide you want to uh, set this word in the center or bottom or wherever you want it to set. Text direction also, you want left to right or right to left, that also you can check, uh, select, and okay. So this is how you can change the orientation of your word. Now you can write your subjects here. Let's say your first period is English every time. So I am just writing the random subject, and then you have to write it properly as your timetable. And here, let's say I'm writing English and Hindi again. You have to make this timetable as per your actual timetable. Give the borders now, all borders, or you can go to more borders and give some designer borders according to your convenience. Like let's say I wanted to give this brown, dark red color border, maroon color border, and outside border should be like this, and inside border should be like this one. Okay. Now I wanted to give the colors. Here also we can write days. Now let's say this will be of, you can give colors to your according to your choice. Clear? Like this you can create a timetable, and after that you have to take the screenshot of it. Screenshot how you will take from computer, you will press print screen button, and automatically it will take the screenshot of whatever you have uh, opened in front of you. Then you can go to paint and paste it over there. So after pasting you can crop this image. पहले थोड़ा zoom out कर देते हैं, and now we can crop, select the area like this one. You have to select the area uh, not only of the timetable, but the proper A, B, C, D, and 1, 2, 3, 4 should also be visible, so that I can get to know that this you have created in Excel only. Okay, and then you can click on crop. Now you can save this file and upload it in the new software whenever you will get the ID and password of the new software. So right now you don't have to share it with me. You have to upload it in the new software only. So you have to wait till then, till the time you are not getting any ID and password of the new software, right? So we will upload this question over there only, right? So you can give like different colors also. Like here I have given alignments also, we can change alignment, how to change the alignment. Right now the everything is numbers are coming on the left hand side and the alphabets are coming on the right hand side, so we can select our whole table, we can choose center, we can choose middle and center, so everything will come in center only, right? Like this. So you can do the editing according to your convenience, whatever you wanted to do.